Alright, this is Jackson's video. Jackson, we started out by reviewing what we did last week, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 4 times. Then we're going to go up to the F, which is the first white key, 4 keys up from the C, right under the black 3 keys, okay? Do that twice. Then we're going to go back to the black keys for, and I'm going to showing you this because we're going to look at our Roman numeral charts, right? We're going to go back now to the C. What chord are we going to now? The 5 chord, which is a G, huh? And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, just once. Then we're going to the 4. First we got to go to the 1, and then we're going to go 5. Now remember, all these right hand things I'm doing, they're all in what inversion? Root inversion with the root on the bottom. 1, 3, 5, right? We can also go 3, 5, 1 on top, and we can also go 5, 1, 3 on top. So we can voice those 3 ways of those 3 notes, because we can just go up the keys and go down them. Right? We can they can change voicings. There's 3 voicings: root inversion, first inversion with the 3rd on the bottom,
and second inversion.
And second inversion has a 5th on the bottom. Does that make sense? All right. Then we're going to go back to that we just played that 5, and then we go back to the 1, okay? So that is something that we'll be working on next week. The main thing I want you to do is to be able to do it in 1, which you already can. I want you to be able to do it in the 4 chord. And in the 5 chord. We're in the key of C, so the 5 was G, right? And here's the key of C. Now we're also going to work on Let It Be, which is so much easier than this. We talked about other bass lines with that 1, 3, 5 before I leave this. Here's what we're doing. We also heard this one on the YouTube. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now we're not going to work too much on those. I just want to put them down because we looked at them today. And then another one is going to be, what was the other bass line that we heard on it? I can't remember, but whatever. We're learning that our bass lines are always, we're learning so much about a lot of bass lines being around the 1 and the 5, right? And how they're based off chord tones here, like we learned in our right hand. Okay? So now for Let It Be, we're going to learn. We're just going to play the thumb with our left hand down here, and then we're going to play, the bass line is going to be from here on the C, and then ring finger or 4 on the G, and then middle finger on the A, and middle finger on the F. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 1. Book with your mom that 2 notes, that notes that last 2 beats are called what?
2/4.
Half notes.
Oh,
half
note.
note.
Oh, yeah, half
1, 2, 1, 2. All right. I'm going to try to find some music for this too, so we can look at the music. But for right now, I also want you to understand the chords and the bass line stuff, so we don't really need that much music for right now to do that. But we're going to play in our right hand over this. We're going to play, not root inversion, we're going to play this version, which is down below this. We're going to play thumb on the third right here, out of this chord. So here's root, third, fifth, those notes. So find them on your piano at home. And then we're going to start in the first inversion, which is our thumb now on the third. And that's what our right hand's going to do this. And we're going to take our left thumb and go. And it's just going to go just like that. One bass note, and so these are quarter notes. And this is a half note. And then we're going to go this note right here, this chord, which is a G chord. What's that? Is that the 5 chord? It is, isn't it? But a voicing, look how close it is. Our index finger is going to stay the same. And we're going to have, on the bottom of the C chord in the first inversion, we're going to have only one white key in between the bottom 2 fingers. And I want you to play them with 1, 2, and 5, and then 1, 2, and 4. Okay? Those are the voices. 1. These are not the chord. We know it's 3, 5, 1. We're talking about our fingers of our right hand. 1, 2, 5. And then we're leaving that 2 on the G. And we're going ring, which is 1, 2, 4. So, and then when we put them with the bass line, it's going to go 1, 2, and it's going to go. Whoops. Whoops. This is just one bass note. And one bass note. And that's how let it be. That's the whole harmonic rhythm of the thing. There's quarter notes in the right hand, half notes in the left hand. It's that easy. It's much easier than what you already learned. So it's like. Because that's going to be plenty for you with you playing everything. All right? Good.